Hi guys, ArchieLuxury on the ArchieLuxury and the Paul Pluter channel. And guys, today I want to do a live unboxing. And I haven't had one of these for a couple of weeks. So I thought it's time I share a bit of joy with the viewers. So basically, guys, let me tell you the story, okay? This is the story. A good friend of mine, Dave in Sydney, I'm buying his PAM! I'm buying the submersible from Dave. And, you know, I'm paying it slowly. It's 6,100 Aussie, and I've paid it down to 44.50. Dave rings me a few days ago and goes, Archie, I found a Calibre 11 for you. And I said, Dave, I'm not buying anything until I've paid for the PAM. It's just the gentleman's thing to do. You can't buy another watch when you've committed to one watch. So I said, Dave, I'm buying your PAM. He says, Archie, this, you gotta grab it, pull the trigger. Triggers need to be pulled. And I said, okay, what is it? He goes, it's a TAG Heuer Calibre. TAG Heuer Calibre. Let's just go, we'll come back to that in a minute. And I said, Dave, I got no money. I'm brokers, fuck this, brokers. And I'm a Pepsi. My credit card is Pepsi'd to the max. I'm kind of in limbo, and he goes, Archie, I'll fund it. So I said, hey, okay. So what I've done is I've taken a home equity loan out of the PAM. We've taken an equity loan over that. He's then flicked me the money, a little bit more money. And I've bought another watch. So I went there this morning. This is why the early show is running a bit late. I like to do an unboxing. That's right, fuckaroonies, fuckers. Have a look at what brand Archie's just bought. So fuckaroonies. Let's go and have a look. Da da da, da da da, da da da. Drum roll. Okay. Firstly, let's open the fucker up. Da da da. Okay. Outer box. This is the outer box. So we've got da 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 da. Okay. Okay. So inside the inner box. This is the inner box, so it's got this. Yeah, so it's a TAG Heuer, and it's actually got the new TAG Heuer credit card. Fuck it, who cares? There's the number, fuckers. You wanna rip me off? Fucking do it. Pull the trigger, fuckers. There you go, that's the credit card there. So that's that's papers. Basically, that is papers. That is papers. Fuck this, from the Latin, to be completely fucked over. So that's basically, that's all it comes with. It comes with one book. Okay, one book. It comes with a book there. Okay, fuckaroonies, let's get the unboxing. Let's do the unboxing. Drum roll. Okay, fuckaroonies. Da 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 da. Ah, fuckaroonies. Have a look. Fuckaroonies, what do you think? It's a TAG Heuer Monaco Calibre fucking 11. That's right, fuckaroonies. It's a Calibre 11. Fuck fuckers. What do you think? My first, well actually I've had a few tag Heuers before. I used to buy and sell Formula Ones. Okay, now let's have a look here. Fuckaroonies, fuckaroonies. The Tag Heuer Calibre 11. Look at this. Da da da, da da da. Look at that, fuckers. How is that? But fuckers, there's more. And I gotta fucking tell you, now to adjust the clasp, have a look at this. That pushes up, and I'll make it a bit bigger. I've been putting on fucking kilos. I got court cases and other nasty fucking shit happening in my life. Look at that, the Tag Heuer, the Calibre 11. The Calibre 11 fuckaroonies. Now look at this. I'm going to start the chrono. It's got really nice pushes. Look. Really soft and cool. It's not a flyback. So we'll just stop that. Really, really cool balanced pushes. The pushes are fucking cool. On the Breguet, it's like fucking driving nails into a wall. But on the Tag Heuer, I noticed it's branded as a Heuer. Maybe next time I could afford to get a Tag Heuer, fuckers. What do you think? A live unboxing. Archie's latest wristwatch, wristwatch, fuckers. What do you think? The Tag Heuer Monaco 12. What do you fuckaroonies? Think of that. Now, I gotta tell you, fuckers, I'm absolutely shocked. I'm jaw-struck. Look at this here. I'm gonna put this fuckaroony on the quick wristwatch check. Heuer, Tag Heuer, Calibre 11, fuckers. What do you fuckers think of that? Hey guys, my name is Paul Pluter. I'm the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, AC3. Guys, I need a bit of help. It's very hard running a YouTube channel relying on Google Ads alone. I'm in a special niche and I speak my mind, and I don't have all those Seiko wannabes, all the people who want assurance about their affordable shitters. So I've got to really try hard to bring in the revenue. Guys, if you like my content, if you think I'm a great chap to have around, why don't you help me out? There's a number of ways you can help me out. This will keep me full-time on YouTube. Look in the description of this video for some ways you can help me. You could sponsor me on Patreon. That allows you to send a small monthly amount to me every month. It can be $1, it can be $100, whatever you can afford. The next way you can help me is, well guys, I really need some money to keep things going. Paid reviews. On the Paul Pluter channel, I run paid reviews. For as little as $20 US, I'll give you an opinion of your collection, of what you're looking at. I'll try and answer. There's heaps of other ways you can help me. I do telephone consultancy. For $50 US, I will talk to you on Skype or WhatsApp and answer your horological or personal problems. Any questions, I'll give it a go. Now guys, please help us out. Look down below, and if you could help us out, I will stay here and make videos full-time on YouTube.
Okay?